Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 3rd of August to 9th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so let's see. For those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will not miss my daily updates. So we have got the Page of Cups over here in your reading. We have not started. So this is a kind of an offer which might be coming towards you, and it might be instant. Okay, so just be aware. The Hierophant, an offer of marriage might be, a proposal for someone. Okay, let's get started. And as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. All right, so last shuffle please. All right, at the back of the deck it's the Six of Pentacles. Aquarius also got it at the back of the deck. So balance, harmony. Okay, so Ten of Swords with that. Something, I think your balance is disturbed right now. Your life is disturbed right now. Let's see. Okay. A lot of major arcanas are here in your reading. Alright, okay. So your core energy is Ace of Cups over here, which is blocked by the Fool. I'm feeling that you have entered in a new relationship or in something new situation, but you just entered it without even, analyzing and without even looking into the details. You just entered in it. Okay, so this is something which is, you have to consider it, because this is for some of you. And your subconscious energy is the Temperance. At the back of the deck, you are really feeling that it needed to be balanced first, because I'm seeing your balance is disturbed over here. So it is like your decision which you took, you are in that big question mark area, whether I did it right or wrong. What should I do? Should I give this person a chance, or should I move on with this relationship, or I just leave this person, or I leave this situation? Because whatever this is, you have entered it without thinking. Your conscious energy is Two of Swords, which is telling me that yes, you are figuring out some stuff. Something you are figuring out, whether you have done right or wrong. The Hierophant, in your past energies, you were thinking, you were in a mode where, for some of you, you might be involved in a marriage or some other relationship, but I'm seeing that it is more about, that kind of a faith. We'll clarify what it is. Your recent future is Seven of Pentacles. It is something related to time. Whatever is coming up, it will take time, because this process has started, and it will take time to end it, So with the Nine of Wands in your energies, I feel that, I don't know why, but in whichever situation you entered, you don't want to continue it for a longer term. The Seven of Cups in the other person or the environment around you, so they are like, there's a lot of confusion in their head. Whomsoever you are dealing with, they're also confused. There's confusion from, in both the ends. Okay, so the Emperor in your guidance energy will clarify it, and at the end is the Three of Swords. So you are thinking about something and you are ending up finding a solution. It will take time, but it's something huge. All right, so let's clarify this, what it is. Let's see why the Six of Pentacles with Ten of Swords is here. Page of Wands. What else? Two of Cups and the Chariot. Okay. I think your balance is disturbed because you want to move on in your life. You have developed some kind of a passion in your life. You have developed new life lessons. You have developed new things. You have there's a lot of passion in your life. You are really wanting to go something to more stable. That is why you really want, if it's not a relationship, it is something related to career. If it's not a career, it is related with some kind of a love relationship, because you are tired of this relationship, I'm saying. Let's see this Ace of Cups in your core energy. Why the Ace of Cups over here? What is this card about? The Magician. All right. Four of Wands and Five of Swords. Sorry, Knight of Swords. I think, yes, that this thing, whatever this thing was, if this was a marriage, you just entered in this relationship, in this marriage without thinking. It really happened very fast. And no matter how much you deny, but you actually accepted this. It was your decision only. But you just went for it, okay? Like a fool over here. You just went. And let's start this new relationship, whatever this is. Let's see what it brings towards you. It didn't bring a lot of good stuff, I see. Let's see the Fool over here in the blockage energy. Why the Fool is in the block? Why is over here Fool? Please, cards. Why the Fool is here? Okay, once again. See, Nine of Swords is here. This thing has made your nights miserable. Six of Swords. You thought that you will find some peace, you will find stability in this relationship, but it actually gave you a lot of nightmares. It again, Ace of Cups. You thought that it is going to give you something stable. It is a love offer. Finally, love is on your side. You were happy, but it was not. This thing actually gave you the nightmares of your life. Okay, so let's see what is this Temperance in your subconscious energy. Temperance in your subconscious. Why Temperance is here? So many cards. Okay. Five of Swords. Okay. What else? Queen of Swords and King of Pentacles. Okay. You are fighting. You are actually fighting between your mind and your heart. You are continuously fighting. You are daily telling yourself that I can do this. There is a lot of, because with the Temperance card, your balance, your peace is disturbed. Your balance is disturbed right now, but it's you who is actually, you are working on yourself, I'm seeing. With the King of Pentacles and Queen of Swords, it's more of an energy where you are looking towards the stability as well. Whatever happens for a reason. That is your mindset. At deep down inside your back of the mind, you are thinking like that. Let's see what is your conscious energy. Two of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Four of Cups. Why are you indecisive? You don't want to come don't you want to just leave this person, or are you afraid of the rejection? Let's see what else is. Why is this here? Page of Pentacles. Okay, I get it. It's an energy where you are not afraid. Actually, you are very clear about the relationship I'm seeing over here. Whatever situation you are in, whether it's a relationship or it's your work, you are clear that I entered in this situation just like that, and it is not giving me any success. So you are ready to move away from that situation. You are ready to just leave it behind. What you are actually focusing on is the new life in front of you. You know, this Page of Pentacles is more of that kind, the study which you are doing right now, something new, whichever thing you are investing your time and energy in, that is what you are doing, and you are not confused. It's more like that there's a fear whether I will, whether I will get what I want or not, whether I will get what I deserve or not, that kind of energy. Let's see what is this Hierophant about. The High Priestess, what else? The Lovers, all the major arcanas. Okay. Knight of Cups. Okay, well, I really have a feeling over here that whatever thing was there in your past, the Hierophant, Lovers and High Priestess, this thing is actually, it is coming to an end. I don't know why, but there's a strong feeling with this thing, because this was a big transformation of your life. This had to happen. If sometimes you have to change your karma, or sometimes your karmic, you get those lessons by getting married to someone. Sometimes people get married and they get to know that, oh my god, what did I do in my life? Sometimes you get in a relationship with someone and then you realize that no, this is not the right person. But these things, they come actually with a lesson which you actually have to understand, and that is what this was, a big lesson of your life, and you had to deal with this problem, this issue. You had to deal with it to progress in your life. That is why I'm seeing that you are here in this relationship. You were in this relationship. Let's see the Seven of Pentacles, the Strength. Eight of Swords, Nine of Wands and Page of Swords. So this means that whatever your future energy is telling me, that things will take time, but you have to bring a lot of that self-worth, or that kind of a thing where this time will actually teach you a lot of things. There are a lot of lessons in this period. So that is what you have to understand this thing with the Strength card. This is a very beautiful message, because it is actually telling you that whatever you are going through, you might feel sometimes that you are caught again, you are caged, somebody has trapped you. You might feel that you are blocked, people are blocking you, no one is there to fight for you, you are alone, you are tired. You might feel that people around you, they are not going to help you. You have to fight your own battles. That is what your future is telling. But with all the things is the self-confidence which you actually need, because patience is the key over here. This time was written. Whatever is happening in your life right now, it was written, and it will happen. It will take some time, but your confidence, your self-worth, your intuition, everything, that is something which you have to keep a balance in between your mind and your heart. Okay, so let's see what your energy. See, this is you. This is Nine of Wands. I know you are tired. You are that warrior who has come from that fight, from that war, and who is now tired, who really wants to just give me some time now. I really want my me time. Please let me go. Finally, that is you. I hear you. With the Seven of Cups, let's see what is this. Okay, Ten of Swords, Two of Wands, and Knight of Pentacles. I'm seeing that the people around you, they are also, in that state of where they're also stuck. I'm seeing they're also in the middle of something, confused when this thing will end. Whatever you are dealing with, it's not a love. I'm not seeing that a lot of love is there in the situation. No, it was more of a karmic cycle which is just coming up in my head again and again, because it is more about some lessons which you had to learn from the past. If you are, it's from both the sides. If you are a cross watcher, you are also going through some changes in your life. This transformation, it had to happen. So whatever you are dealing with, or whomsoever you are dealing with, this was a dual process from both the ends. You both had some kind of karmic imbalances which you are actually balancing in this life. Past life karmic cycles coming up over here. That is what is happening. The Emperor over in the guidance energy. What else? Wheel of Fortune. Anything else? See, Ten of Wands, Eight of Wands, Ace of Wands, and Wheel of Fortune. Wow. So the guidance cards are telling me that everything is coming to an end. You are tired, everyone. The fortune, it is the universe is watching you. Actually, you are tired, everyone. I hear you, universe hear you. The communication which you are expecting, it will come towards you. Whatever communication you are expecting, whatever, because you really need to end this process, and it is going to end, because the wheel is finally coming to an end. The wheel of Fortune has come up over here. That means strong karmic lesson. Let's see Three of Swords in your overall outcome. Why is the Three of Swords over here? King of Swords, Six of Wands. Wow. So with the Three of Swords, whatever the decision is, it might break your heart at the end, but at the end you will finally become victorious. You will find the victory. Whatever this is, might be bad communication might happen, something bad mouthing for each other, or some kind of bad situations you might see where you wouldn't be able to say anything. You wouldn't be able to prove your point, why you did this, what exactly happened. Might happen that the truth might not be revealed, but at the end the Six of Wands is telling that you will come as victorious. It's you who will come, because the wheel is turning. All right, so let's see what are the guidance cards. Any advice from the universe? Let's see regarding the situation, please. Is there any advice, universe, for my Cancerians? Let's see. King of Pentacles. Wow. Queen of Cups. Okay, this is you. And okay, we have Knight of Pentacles and Four of Cups. All right. So right now the universe is telling you the rejection might happen, that you are getting rejected from a lot of things you are doing. You are trying to you are putting your form in some company. You are trying to go for a job, you are trying to start something new. You are getting rejected, because this is the process. It will take time, because it is really slow, and I'm seeing it. But with the Queen of Cups and the King of Pentacles, it's wow. It's like things will come to you a little late, but it will come with all the stability which you deserve. Alright, so that's all from my side, my Cancerians. I hope it helps. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.